I have just discovered the power of network marketing. I think it's a great idea to be paid for having fun, for traveling, for meeting lovely people, and for learning. I think never in my so many years I could imagine or believe that such a thing is possible. But I'm seeing it really happening in the few days that I've done with Talk Fusion.
Talk Fusion is something innovative which nobody has come out with that.
Hold it! Hold it! This is the date when Talk Fusion is launching what? A concept that will change people's life. A concept that will bring happiness to hundreds and thousands of people. और Talk Fusion यहाँ पर क्या बोलता है? वो आपको चुनौती दे रहा है. चुनौती कि आप सपने देख सकते हैं क्या? क्या आप में ताकत है सपने देखने की? है क्या?
मुझे देखोगे तो हर शय में नजर आऊंगा. कि मुझे देखोगे तो हर शय में नजर आऊंगा. मेरी सुनोगे. मेरी अगर सुनोगे तो एक अवसर दे जाऊंगा. मेरी अगर सुनोगे तो एक अवसर दे जाऊंगा. और मेरी अगर मानोगे तो यकीनन जिंदगी बदल जाऊंगा.
He has been the inspiration for hundreds and thousands of people all across the globe. And he helped them achieve their goals, dreams, wishes and expectations in life. Ladies and gentlemen, इस वक्त मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सब खड़े हो जाएं और जोर से ताली बजाएं एक ऐसे शख्स जिन्होंने पूरी इंडस्ट्री को हिला के रख दिया है. मिस none other than Mr. Bob Crowley. Come on!
To live, you must dream. To put life back into your life. And I've been doing this for 20 years now. And there are a few things that I know that you must have in your heart to make this business work for you and to help other people. Number one, you must have a dream, and I mean a big dream. Number two, you must have the willingness to work. To become successful, it's hard work. Number three, you must have the right attitude, which is important. You must have a spirit of wanting to help, which is so very important. Selfish people never make it in this business because they're only worried about themselves. People that care and love for one another can become successful. And the last thing, which is so very important, is you must have the right vehicle to take you to your dreams. And that vehicle is Talk Fusion.
6 areas we need to have 10 on 10, 100%. In the company, in the concept of network marketing, in the products, in the compensation plan, in the leadership and the team that you're working with, and in you, above all. If each one of us have 100 on 100 belief in ourselves, along with these other parameters, we can make it very, very big, and there's no stopping.
The key is believing. You must believe in yourself. Those who believe in their dreams can achieve. And I thank every single one of the core team and all of you in this room today, because in such a short period of time, we have people that have climbed the ranks, and every single one of you, I am confident, will be on that plane to the United States because you are all going to be the Blue Diamond rank.
हम लोग ने बहुत सारे पैसे हर एक चीज के लिए लगाई है, लेकिन मुझे ये बताओ कि उस चीज पे लगाने से हमने क्या अपनी जिंदगी बदली है? क्या हमने किसी और की जिंदगी बदले है? No. We have got a TV at home, 15,000, 20,000. We have paid for the TV, but what do we get? Confusion.
Our corporate executive team has over 150 years of experience in the direct selling industry, marketing, and management. So I want you to know and understand that you have a team that has proven success behind them. Proven success, okay? To not only help you grow your team, but to help you stay there and help you affect and change the dreams for others, to help them truly learn how to dream again.
For me, this industry comes from here. Dil se kaam karta hu. Because I know this industry, it's just not about what kind of revenues you make. It's much more than that. It's the number of people's lives you've changed. आपने कितनी जिंदगियों में बदलाव लाया है, कितने सारे बच्चों को better education दिए, कितने सारे परिवार को एक better lifestyle दिया है. This industry is all about that. And that keeps me high. That keeps me very, very high because I know the power of in this industry. Right? And that's the reason I'm here. And this is for everybody over here who is there to make a difference in somebody else's life. Please give a round of applause to yourself.
I'm, so glad that it's becoming, a hot cake like.
Yes.
And this is what I come for, only Talk Fusion to set up in Dubai and other GCC places.
I have found Talk Fusion very effective in many ways. One, that for my promos, instead of now sending e-brochures or posters or letters or leaflets, I have started sending video mails where I can show people the activities, I show them what my tents look like and things like that. So that makes the whole thing very interesting. Even as a trainer, I'm looking forward to using the video conferencing facility to create modules where I can talk to people instead of getting them to a classroom or getting them to a hotel, booking a hotel, commuting. I can sit at home and people who are free only in the evening, I'll have a program at 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, charge them just 200 rupees for what they pay thousands of rupees. So I find that there is tremendous advantage of this tool. It's a good tool, you should know how to use it.
They say life-changing opportunities always existed around us 24/7 from the day we were born, and it will be around us till we die. But the realization is always triggered by a crisis or a loss in our life.
हर दिन सुबह भगवान के सामने हम लोग प्रार्थना करते हैं, बहुत सारे चीज पूछते हैं. ऐसे कभी कभी भगवान हमारा हाथ में कुछ डाल देते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग देख नहीं पाते. सच बात है. आज के दिन में आपके हाथ में भगवान ने टॉक फ्यूजन डाल दिया.
Just 2 words. Mr. Bob Rana had seen a dream of sending a video email. So, Mr. Bhaskar ji and Mr. Alvin ji had got that dream to Mumbai, India and Asia.
So Lord, let's rock together. Let's go for a 25 years partnership with Talk Fusion.
Well, they say there are 2 things important for anything to happen. The first thing is that you should know what you want. And second thing is that dare to dream.